Tova here. We are headed over to OMETEPE Island today on the ferry from San Jorge, which is just a few minutes outside of Rivas. So stay tuned for the adventure.
OMETEPE Island is about 1 hour ferry ride from the mainland Nicaragua. The island is a mecca of outdoor adventure, beaches, and stunning views.
The primary ferry route runs from San Jorge in Rivas, about a 40-minute drive from San Juan del Sur, to Managua. Tickets cost 50 cord, or about $1.50 US one way, with ferries running multiple times daily. You don't need to buy tickets in advance unless you are ferrying a vehicle. Then it is recommended to reserve a space ahead of time, or wait for the next ferry if it's full.
The schedule lists ferries and boats. The boats cost less, but are often more choppy ride. If you're prone to seasickness, take the ferry.
OMETEPE, we will be back. We had an amazing day, but there's much more adventure and exploring that we want to do on the island. We feel like we've just scratched the surface. We've had a great day on OMETEPE Island, and we're at the ferry port getting ready to head back to San Juan del Sur. If you're heading to the island from San Juan del Sur for the day, we suggest you plan to take the first ferry out and the last ferry home. This will maximize your time on the island, and you can enjoy a sunset cruise on the way home.
There is so much to see and do on the island. If you have the opportunity to stay for a night or a few, you won't be disappointed.
We're back on the ferry heading away from OMETEPE and heading to San Juan del Sur. Little sunset cruise on the last ferry ride out of the night. Stay tuned to our channel next week. We'll show you the places we went, the fun we had on our OMETEPE day trip. Hit the like button, subscribe if you're new to our channel, leave us a comment. We always love to hear from our viewers. And see you on the next amazing adventure.